Think you know your home inside out? Let's put that to the test with a fun quiz. Question 1. Did you know that an average kitchen sponge has more bacteria than a toilet seat? Ew, time to swap that out more often. Question 2. True or false? Closing your doors helps keep your home cooler in the summer. It's true. Keeping doors shut can actually help regulate temperature. Question 3. What's the most commonly misplaced item in the house? If you guessed the TV remote, you're right. It's a sneaky one. Question 4. Did you know that houseplants can improve air quality? That's right, your leafy friends are working hard to keep your air fresh. Question 5. True or false? You should vacuum your mattress every 6 months. True, it helps reduce dust mites and allergens. How did you do? Give yourself a pat on the back. And maybe tackle that sponge.
Why do 90% of people struggle to name common objects? Test yourself and find out. All right, question 1. What do you call that handy thing you use to open a bottle of wine? If you said corkscrew, give yourself a point. Next up, what's the name of the tool you use to tighten or loosen screws? Yep, it's a screwdriver. You're on fire. Here's a tricky one. What's the name of the device used to measure temperature? Did you guess thermometer? Gold star for you. Okay, last one. What's that thing you use to remove staples from paper? It's a staple remover. How many did you get right? Comment your score below and challenge your friends. Thanks for playing our Everyday Objects quiz. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun quizzes.